Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. This one's gonna be my birthday vlog. It's a birthday week and more or less, and right now we are going out and it's a surprise. It's not a surprise for me because I am gonna get a new phone and I have been looking to change my phone from a really long time. So today we're finally doing it. So let's go and take you guys along, and also a lot of fun things coming up. I have a lot of fun videos coming up. Do subscribe to this channel if you're watching me for the first time, and also find me on Instagram because I do a lot of fun styling videos and hauls there. We've come to Roast for breakfast. Roast is like a really nice place for breakfast or like evening coffee also. It's open 24/7, but the lane is kind of bad. Roast has a really good menu, especially for breakfast. They have this hazelnut croissant and so many others, which is really yum. And apparently the keema pav is one of the best, and I love coffee here because Yash suggested keema pav. I decided to try the paneer burji with pav, and it was actually quite tasty but very heavy. Too much for breakfast. So as I was saying before we got started, so this lane is kind of not what you expect a coffee shop or a hotel to be in, but this is Kalamkari, and the food is actually really good, and coffees and desserts are amazing. Someone said we are going straight.
Indeed. Where are you going straight? Turns in every long
Yeah, Gachibowli area is like
the U-turn actually. I find it very U-turn. It's not a U-turn. It's only a people turn.
People turn.
इज्जत का फालूदा होगा रही.
इज्जत पोएशियल చేయండి.
But इज्जत का फालूदा no dialogue.
అంటే అది హైదరాబాద్. It's a long journey to go to in orbit. So finally got my new phone, decided to go with iPhone 15 and then shopped a little bit at InOrbit. I got some mess at Bath and Body Works. I love Darkest, and they have a lot of new fragrances, so yeah, you can check them out. We finally came to InOrbit and bought the phone, guys. The other electronics did not have the phone in stock. It's been a really long time since I used iPhone. I don't remember which version of iPhone I used to have, but the last iPhone which I had, I think I messed it up terribly and spoiled it. After which, basically I shifted to Android. So after a long time, I am using an iPhone. I'm gonna be using an iPhone. So I'm excited to vlog with that phone because it makes things easier and I don't have to carry my vlog camera all the time. No iPhone use just for chalo like that.
Yeah, I used it.
I know you use it.
But
right now also you're using the iPad.
But the camera is definitely worth it.
In Clever is just a real cheaper.
My mom is using that phone. The camera is very good.
Then we were out for dinner. First we went to Pink Elephant. I did not love the food there. Then we went to Novotel and they changed up the restaurant. It was Mexican before and now it's Arabian. The food was nice. It was very flavorful, but I think I usually prefer my food a little more spicy, but the ambience is really nice. So I thought I'll do brunch with my friends, so I was getting ready, but then it got postponed, so we finally did not end up doing brunch. We met up a little late for coffee, and this is the first outfit of the day. This is what I went with. I loved the dress, but this is backless, so I did a little hack. I'll show you guys in the next video. And then I just met up my friends. We did coffee and we went to this place called Lily's. It has that boho vibe and quite nice. Met my friend's dog and got back home. So this is the cake that I ordered. I ordered it in a mint blue and the color actually turned out to be different, but nevertheless it is pretty and it is really yum. I wanted to do a Bridgerton inspired cake and outfit, so this is the outfit. I just have my family over for dinner, so I had to change up the dress a little bit with my mom's help because of family dinner. It turned out that my family was able to come for dinner, so I changed and my mother-in-law actually brought out diyas. I had to change into an Indian outfit because she wanted to do some puja. So had some dinner and celebrated with my family, and that was my birthday, you guys. I have my birthday haul video coming up, and I also wanted to show you guys some outfits for birthday or just party wear dresses. Let me know in the comments below if you like to watch that. Do subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Yes. I did try. I don't take credit for it. This is the problem, Sushma. Now you'll ask which type of cake. I would have కొంచెం ఇంటిలో వస్తుంది బాగా యాక్షన్